Attracting your dream partner is not just about finding someone but about being ready to welcome them into your life. The law of attraction teaches us that we can bring into our lives whatever we focus on, and this principle holds profoundly true when it comes to relationships. This video will guide you through the process of aligning your thoughts and energies to draw your ideal partner to you. We will explore how to clearly define what you seek in a relationship and how to prepare yourself emotionally and mentally to foster this dream connection. The law of attraction is a powerful force that dictates that like attracts like. In the realm of relationships, this means that the energy you emit is likely to attract a partner with similar energy. Therefore, it's crucial to understand and refine the energy you project. Start by defining the qualities you desire in a partner. This goes beyond physical attributes. Focus more on the values and traits that you wish to find in another person. Do you value kindness, intelligence, sense of humor? Prioritize these characteristics and hold them in your mind. Creating a positive mental image of the relationship you want is like planting a seed. You need to nurture this seed with positive thoughts and feelings. Every time you imagine your future partner, reinforce these images with optimism and belief that you will find each other. Visualization is a key tool here. Spend a few minutes each day closing your eyes and imagining the dynamic you wish to have with your partner. Imagine the interactions, the mutual respect, and the love, feeling as if it's already part of your life. This practice helps solidify your desires and makes your mental and emotional landscape ready to receive this person. Vibrational matching is about ensuring your personal energy resonates with the qualities you wish to attract. This involves self-reflection and honesty about your own traits and behaviors. Ask yourself if you embody the qualities you are looking for in a partner. If you seek a loving and attentive partner, reflect on how loving and attentive you are to yourself and others. This might mean making changes to your behavior or mindset. To enhance your vibrational match, begin incorporating habits that reflect your ideal relationship's values. If you desire a relationship filled with adventure, start by integrating more adventurous activities into your life. If you seek a partner who appreciates culture, engage more actively with arts and cultural events. This alignment isn't just about making you a better match, it also enriches your life and makes you a more fulfilled person independently of any relationship. Recognizing your own worth is fundamental in attracting the kind of relationship you dream of. Self-love is at the core of this recognition. It involves appreciating yourself and acknowledging your value as an individual. To foster self-love, start by treating yourself with the same kindness and respect you hope to receive from a partner. Take care of your physical and emotional needs by maintaining healthy routines, setting boundaries, and pursuing personal interests that make you feel passionate and alive. Improving self-esteem can also involve changing the way you talk to yourself. Shift from critical self-talk to affirmations that reinforce your worth and capabilities. Phrases like "I am deserving of a loving, healthy relationship" can reprogram your mind and raise your self-esteem, ensuring that you feel worthy of the love you seek. To make room for new love, it's essential to release any emotional baggage from past relationships. Holding on to old hurts or unresolved feelings can unknowingly repel new connections. Start this process by reflecting on previous relationships and identifying any patterns or unresolved emotions that may affect your ability to move forward. Forgiveness plays a key role in this healing process, both forgiving yourself and others. Understand that forgiveness isn't about excusing past behavior but about clearing space in your heart for new, positive experiences. Practicing mindfulness can help manage emotions related to past relationships. Techniques like meditation can guide you to let go of old wounds and approach new relationships with a fresh, unburdened perspective. Through self-love and releasing past baggage, you prepare yourself not just to attract but also to accept and nurture the relationship you desire. This preparation ensures that when you meet your dream partner, you are emotionally ready and open, free from the shadows of past experiences, and able to engage fully and healthily. These steps are crucial in creating a welcoming environment for new love and ensuring that your next relationship has the foundation to thrive. To solidify your intentions and focus your energy on attracting your dream partner, creating a clear vision of what you are looking for is essential. Start by writing down the qualities and values that are most important to you in a partner. This exercise is not about crafting a superficial checklist but about understanding the core attributes that you believe will foster a meaningful and lasting relationship. Focus on personality traits, communication styles, and the emotional connection you wish to experience. As part of this vision, consider the type of relationship dynamics that are important to you. Think about how you want to interact together, the kind of support you expect from each other, and how you want to grow together. Visualizing these details will help align your subconscious mind with your relationship goals, enhancing your ability to attract what you truly desire. Affirmations are a powerful tool to help you maintain a positive and hopeful attitude about love. They reinforce your vision and increase your emotional and vibrational alignment with your desires. Construct affirmations that resonate with the feeling of being in love or being in a relationship that fulfills you. Examples of such affirmations could include: I am open and ready to receive a loving, healthy relationship. Every day, I attract more love into my life. I deserve a partner who respects and adores me. Repeat these affirmations daily, preferably in the morning or before you go to sleep, to embed these beliefs deeply into your mindset. The key is to feel the truth of these affirmations as you say them, allowing the emotions they evoke to permeate your thoughts and influence your reality. By creating a detailed vision and regularly using affirmations, you set a firm foundation for attracting the partner you desire. These practices not only prepare your external life for new relationships but also align your internal emotional landscape to welcome and sustain a loving partnership. The next steps will build upon this groundwork, focusing on incorporating these elements into your everyday life and addressing how to actively live out your intentions. A crucial step in attracting your dream partner is to live as if you are already in the relationship you desire. This concept involves behaving and making decisions in ways that reflect the presence of your ideal partner in your life. For instance, if you envision sharing your home with someone, start by organizing your living space to accommodate another person. This might mean clearing out a drawer or making room in the closet, signaling to the universe that you are ready and expecting to share your life. Additionally, consider how you spend your free time and manage your social life. Begin incorporating activities into your routine that you would enjoy with a partner. Whether it's attending cultural events, trying new restaurants, or exploring the outdoors, engage in these activities regularly. This practice not only enriches your life but also puts you in places where you might meet someone with similar interests. The practice of being mindful and present in your daily life enhances your attractiveness and readiness for a relationship. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This awareness can help you maintain a positive and open demeanor, which is essential for attracting a like-minded partner. Implement mindfulness by dedicating time each day to meditate or engage in other relaxation practices that help center your thoughts and emotions. By embodying the qualities and lifestyle of someone in a healthy, loving relationship, you become magnetically attractive to potential partners who are looking for the same. It's natural to encounter doubts and fears as you work towards attracting your dream partner. These emotions often stem from past experiences or societal pressures that may lead you to question your worth or the likelihood of achieving your desires. To effectively handle these doubts, begin by acknowledging them. Recognition is the first step to overcoming any negative emotion. Once acknowledged, Challenge these doubts with rational thoughts and affirmations that reinforce your belief in your ability to attract love. For instance, when you feel doubt about your worthiness of love, counteract this by affirming, "I am worthy of love and happiness." This helps reprogram your subconscious to accept positivity and reject unfounded fears. Maintaining a journal where you can write down your fears and then logically dispute them can be a therapeutic process. This practice not only helps clear mental clutter but also strengthens your mental resilience against doubts. Attracting your dream partner often requires patience and trust in the timing of your life. It's important to understand that good things take time, and the right partner will come into your life when you both are ready. Avoid rushing the process or settling for less than you deserve out of impatience. Trust that the universe has a plan and that your positive actions and mindset will bring you closer to your relationship goals. During this period of waiting, focus on enriching your life in other areas. Continue to engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Not only does this make your life more enjoyable, but it also makes you more attractive to others. By addressing doubts and exercising patience, you solidify your emotional foundation, ensuring that when your partner arrives, you are ready and equipped to build a strong, lasting relationship. This mindset shift is crucial not only in attracting your partner but also in enjoying the journey toward that moment. While we end this video of attracting your dream partner through the law of attraction, recall that the journey to finding love is as much about personal growth as it is about the end result. Each step you've taken to align your thoughts, actions, and environment with your relationship goals not only moves you closer to finding your dream partner but also transforms you into a more fulfilled and self-aware individual. Stay committed to the practices discussed. From refining your vision and using affirmations to accepting a lifestyle that reflects your readiness for love and maintaining mindfulness in your daily interactions. Each of these actions reinforces your intent to the universe, paving the way for your desires to manifest. Keep your heart open and your mind positive. Love often arrives when least expected, in ways that surprise and delight. By maintaining a hopeful, open stance, you are ready to welcome love into your life with open arms. Thank you for joining me on this journey towards attracting your dream relationship. Stay hopeful, stay positive, and trust that the love you are working towards is on its way to you.